I want to show you a demo for iTest vSphere application client. This is the new vSphere application session profile. At session properties we have the vSphere service address, we have the username and password. This credential will be used to connect to this server. Let's start the application. This is the iTest vSphere client application. On the left side you can see the inventory tree. On the right side you will see the properties of the object selected. In the bottom side you have the recent tasks list and also console where you will see the responses for the actions. Let's go to the first server. As you can see, here we have a list of available VMs. For this server you can select it, and on the right side you have the list of all events for this machine. Here we have the action like show event info. This will show the info for the event which you select. On the datastore tab you will have the list of all available datastores. Here you can refresh this list or the browse datastore. On Network tab you will see the list of all available network adapters. On the top toolbar you can see you have the three items. The first one is the show virtual machine information. This will show you the list of all VMs available on this vSphere server. This is the response. The next toolbar item is show data stores, which will list all available data stores. The most right item, this is create virtual machine action. If you click it, it will launch the new virtual machine wizard where you can type the new name UVM Diva. Next, here you can select the resource pool. Next, here you can select the data store to use. Virtual machine version, guest operation system, number of virtual processors, memory, network interface cards. You have different networks in this configuration and different adapters. Then you can create the new virtual disk. You can specify the name and disk size. If you will choose the use an existing virtual disk, you can select the VMDK image from the datastore. Okay. The same actions available from drop-down menu. If you select the particular VM, on the right side you will see the information about this virtual machine. There is some general information like guest OS, VM version, memory and state. Also you can mark this VM as template. This will convert this to template. On the Events tab, you can see the events for this virtual machine. You have to action like refresh events and show event information. On the Snapshot tab you have the tree of available snapshots. Let's choose some other machine. So from this point you can revert to some particular snapshot or to take the new snapshot. Also you can delete some of the snapshots. Also on the top toolbar you have some actions for this machine. You can power on this machine. You can suspend it or shut down. Also you can reset it. From the top top toolbar you can take snapshot, revert to current snapshot, show some virtual machine information, edit settings, migrate this virtual machine, clone it, or create snapshot. Let's go one by one. Shut down and suspend is pretty simple. Taking snapshot, the same action as from Snapshot tab. Revert to current snapshot. If you click Edit Settings, you will see some simple details for this virtual machine about maybe its CPU and some devices. You can add a virtual hardware device here. You can add network interface card or hard drive disk. On the network interface card you can select the type of adapter and name the network connection which you want to use. For hard drive you can create a new virtual disk or use some existing virtual disk. Also you can select the raw device mapping for this hard drive. If you make any change on this page, you can click Apply button to commit the changes. You can migrate this virtual machine to another host. Also, you can clone this virtual machine. You can select the host where to clone it, select the data stores, as you can see in the recent tasks, you will see the progress if you will refresh it. When this task will be finished, you will see that you have the new clone machine here. Also, you can delete this virtual machine. All actions which you perform in the UI will be recorded as iTest actions, and later you can generate this case to automate this. Also, the same actions are available from the right-click drop-down menu. Here also you can rename virtual machine. You can power on, shut down, suspend, take snapshots, and do all the same as from toolbar menu. That's all. This is the quick overview of iTest vSphere client application.